Good morning, my dear students. God bless all of you. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in today's social science class, we will complete our third chapter, that is our food. In last class, we have read about the famous dishes of different states of India, about food habits of people and sources of food. Now, let's start to read the rest of the chapter. Now, we will read Do Not Waste Food. Dear students, we should never waste the food. Here is a short story about a boy whose name is Raju. In a birthday party, Raju picked up a plate and filled it up. He did not finish all the food and put his plate down. His friend Suresh did not like it. He explained Raju, wastage of food is not good habit. Firstly, take only a small portion and then take some more if you need. Then Raju got it and felt sorry and promised never to waste food. We should put as much on the plate as we want to eat. You should not do like Raju. So, students, some people waste food, maybe either they are greedy or thoughtless, maybe they are possessive to eat or uncaring who do like it. Many children do not care that they should finish their tiffin, which they bring to school, but it is very bad. They should not do it. You know, many poor people cannot buy food. You should remember, Vita, that God gives us food to eat, not to waste. So, we should never waste the food. All of us should become responsible and never waste food, water, or electricity. Wastage of food is a bad habit and we can save it for poor people. Same way, we should not waste water. We can save it for the next generation. You know what is generation? Generation means children next to you who grow up and become adult. So, we can save water for next generation as there is a shortage of water and not to waste electricity. We can save it for the development of our country. We can save it for the progress of our country. We should switch off the lights or fans after using it. Students, for healthy and happy life, we must eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet means a variety of different types of food and have accurate amount of the nutrients necessary for the good health. As, as like we should add fruits, vegetables, curd, rice, pulses, milk, everything which gives us energy in all way. So there are 5 principles of food. And these 5 principles of food. Principles of food are: number 1, always buy it with care. It means we should buy food very carefully, whether it is in good condition to eat or not. And second is eat a balanced diet as I have told you. Number 3, cook it with love. We should never be irritating while cooking it. Number 4, serve it beautifully. We should serve the food beautifully so that food look attractive? If the food looks good, everyone more likely to enjoy it. And the last is take only as much as you need. You never waste the food, as I have told you. Never waste the food. So, dear students, we have completed the chapter Our Food. Now, we will do the back exercises of this chapter. First of all, we will do the part A. So, part A is tick the correct option. First is, what is the food specialty of West Bengal? As we have read in the chapter, West Bengal's famous dish is fish and rice. So you have to tick on the fish and rice. Second is, the staple diet of Punjab is, as all of you know, chapatis. Yes, you have to tick on the chapatis. And the third is, the vegetable that can be eaten cooked as well as raw is carrot. You can eat carrot as well as cooked and eaten and raw. And the fourth is, the spice that is commonly eaten fresh is, as all of you know, that is ginger. Yes. Now the part B is fill in the blanks. First is, food habits of people depend on climate and crops grown in that area. Yes, the answer is climate. Second is, we get milk from animals. All of you know we get milk from animals, not from plants. So you have to write here animals. And the third is, people of Rajasthan use a great variety of, yes, pickles. Pickles is the answer. And the fourth is, most spices are dried and used. Firstly, you dried it and then you use it. And the fifth is, we get most food items from plants. Now come to the part C, that is match the following. So first is Kolkata, and Kolkata will match with Rasgulla because Rasgulla is the famous dish of Kolkata. And the second is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi will match with Modak. Punjab, third is Punjab. Punjab will match with Sarson ka saag. Tamil Nadu will match with dosa. And the last is Kashmir. Kashmir will match with Gostava. Yes, Gostava. So now come to the part D, that is question answer. Answer the following questions. Students, don't be panic. Do two questions daily. Then you can complete it easily. So first question is, why are the food habits of people changing? And the answer is, the food habits of people are changing because they are moving from one state to another state and one country to another country for different reasons. As I have told you in the chapter, as we have read it, that people are moving from one state to another state and one country to another country for education, living and climate. So you will write the answer like it. And the second question is, name 3 food items that we get from plants. Answer is, 3 food items that we get from plants are, number 1 fruits, number 2 vegetables and number 3 pulses. Okay. Now the third question is, list 2 factors that influence the food habits of people. Food habits of people. Answer is, 2 factors that influence the food habits of people are, number 1, shabash, very good, climate, and the second is crops grown in that area, as we have read in the chapter. And the fourth question is, name 3 food items that we get from animals. Yes, 3 food items that we get from animals are number 1, milk, number 2, egg, and number 3 is meat. And now the last question is, why is it important not to waste food, water and electricity? Write 2 points for each. You have to write 2 points for each: food, water and electricity. And the answer is, it is important not to waste food, water and electricity because number 1, food. And the first point for food is, wastage of food is not a good habit. As all of you know, wastage of food is not a good habit. And the second point is, we can save it for poor people. Yes, poor people, as I have told you in the chapter. And the second is water. And the first point for water is, there is a shortage of water. There is a shortage of water. And the second is, we can save it for next generation. I think all of you have already understood that what is the meaning of generation and why should we save the water for next generation. Because there is a shortage of water, so we can save it for next generation. And the third is electricity. The first point for electricity is, it is very expensive. Yes, very expensive. And the second is, we can save it for the progress of our country. So dear students, you have to write part ABC in the book and the question answers in your Fair Social Science notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.